we're gonna do Dayglow. It's called Woah Man. That sounds like something I might say. It's more of a beginner song. It's just the D, G, A. GDA. So, and then if you want to play the lead line, you can play it up here, 7th fret. We're playing out of this D shape here. You could think of it as a B minor. So it's at the 7th fret, 7, 9. On the B string, 7. That's the 1st fret. So it's 7, then jump to the G, 7, 9, 7, and then jump to the D and hit the 9. And then come back to the G at the 7. And then you can play this note that's not in the pentatonic, but it's in the melody. It's at the 6th fret on the G. Everything else is 7, 9. I think it's the 2nd time it goes to that lower note, but I'm not positive. All right, and then the most of the song is just D, G, A. Then there is one point where they go to an E minor. Yeah, I think they go E minor to A, and then back D, G, A. And that's the whole song. Right, so it's a good one for beginners. Let me go over how to play the chords. D, we're going to place index at the 2nd fret on the G string. It's your 3rd string up. You can play 2nd fret on and you play the G with your index finger. Middle finger on the 2nd fret with the high E. And then we're going to place our ring finger on the B at the 3rd fret. And you can play 4 through 1, or you could even play 5 through 1. Okay, D. Next chord is G. We're going to place our pinky on the 3rd fret, on the high E. We're going to leave all the strings alone until we get to the A string. We're going to place our middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. And then we're going to place our ring finger on the 3rd fret on the low E. Okay, that's G. And then A, you press down at the 2nd fret. You press down your strings 2, 3, 4. You can play strings 5 through 1. Leave that low E off. Okay, and then E minor is, we're going to take our middle finger, place it on the A string at the 2nd fret, and our ring finger on the D string 2nd fret. We can play all the strings. And then if you want to get a little more advanced, you can do some you can do this, kind of approximate that melody by pulling off on the when you're playing the D, pull off the high E, and then go to G. Alright, but that's optional. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.